Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Samudra University in Langsa City, offering 5 faculty, including the Faculty of Teacher, Training, and Education. The Indonesia Language Education Program is one of our promised study program within the faculty. The Indonesia Language Education Program is unique and interesting for several reasons, cultural and linguistic context. This program not only teaches not Indonesia language technology but also in aduh bentar cut satu dua. The Indonesia Language Education Program is unique and interesting for several reasons, cultural and linguistic context. Here is the translation of your request into English. The achievements of the Indonesian Language Education Program at Samudra University can encompass various aspects such as accreditation of the study program. The program might have a formal accreditation like a good rating from the National Accreditation Board for Higher Education, indicating high quality education. Outstanding gradation from this program might have successfully held important points in various fields. The academic program offered by the Indonesian Language Education Department at Samudra University generally include the following programs. Bachelor's program is one. Indonesian Language Education. This program aims to prepare students to become competent educators in teaching the Indonesian language at the primary and secondary school levels. In addition, students are also taught about the teaching of Indonesian literature, language research, and curriculum development. Master Indonesian Language Education. This program is designed for further in-depth study in the field of Indonesian language education, language teaching, and research related to the Indonesian language and literature. The differences between the Indonesian Language Education Program di University Samudra and similar program at other universities lie in several factors, such as curriculum. Each university usually designs its curriculum according to its own vision and strengths. University Samudra might have a different approach or focus in terms of teaching method for Indonesia, such as emphasizing language interaction for academic purpose teaching in school or literature development. Facilities and records. The facility provide such as classrooms, libraries, language laboratorium, and educational technology can of it affects the quality of the program. University Samudra might offer specific facility or help researchers. The sport is challenged in the point of Indonesian language education. Here is the translation of your request into English. The achievements of the Indonesian language education program at Samudra University can encompass various aspects, such as accreditation of the study program. The program might have obtained accreditation with a good rating from the National Accreditation Board for Higher Education, indicating high quality education. Outstanding graduates from the Indonesia Language Education program at university is generally designed to prepare students to become competent educators. In the field of teaching the Indonesian language, the courses studied in this program are divided into several categories that cover theory, skills, and practical application in teaching and developing the Indonesian language. Here is an overview of the course during internship or fieldwork. Opportunity for students in the Indonesian language education program are several steps then can be taken. Join educational organization or community. Many organizations or community related to language and education, such as educational development institutes or literary voice focus organization, often offer internship opportunities. Check local or national organizations related to language education. Flexibility in casting course or program request parts. Indonesia language education program refers to the ability of students to adjust their learning pace to align with their interests and academic or career goals. In this context, flexibility can be seen in several aspects. Using elective courses, students have the opportunity to select courses that match their interests and needs. For example, like qualitative and explicit lectures in the Indonesian language education study program at University Samudra has a very positive impact on the development of students of attention. Lectures with extensive experience and qualification are able to provide instruction that is not only theory based but also integrates practical experience relevant to the needs of the educational world. Here are some benefits that can be gained from teaching by qualified lecturers in this program. In-depth understanding of Indonesian language expression. Lecturers will help students understand various aspects of the Indonesian language is a more comprehensive manner, learning from linguistic literature to linguist pedagogy. Diversity teaching approach, academic guidance, academic advisor assist students in planning their student and resolving academic issues. Discussion or study groups students are often formed into study groups to discuss lecture material or prepare for exams, workshop, and seminar. The study program might organize workshop or seminar on teaching Indonesia or other academic topic. Support from student service like academic counseling or career counseling can help students wide their academic and career development. Mentoring programs. Some university offer mentoring program with senior student assist new student in adjusting to academic life. Extracurricular activity or clubs related to the Indonesian language education program are generally designed to support the development of students' skills and interest in the fields of language, literature, and education. Some activity or clubs that might be related to the study program include Indonesian Language Club. This club is typical focus on ancient students Indonesian language skill including speaking, writing, and reading. Activities might include discussion, writing literary works, and learning Indonesia language in greater depth. Theater and drama, the Indonesian language education program often involves activity related to theater or drama as a form of creative expression in language and literature. Students can participate in theatrical performances that explore Indonesian culture, literature, or classical literary works. Magazine or journal publishing. Some program organize activities related to publishing magazines or journal where students are influenced in reading short stories, poetry, and other literary works. This activity provides an opportunity for students to hone their reading skill and publish their works. Career opportunities in Indonesian language education. At Samudra University, graduates of the Indonesia Language Education Program at Samudra University have diverse career prospects. Primary career paths: Indonesia language teacher, teach Indonesia language elementary, secondary, or high school. Lecturer, pursue a master or doctor, then grade to become a lecturer in Indonesian language education. Language research, conduct research at institutions or universities. Nah, ada jadwal penting yang perlu Anda perhatikan untuk proses pendaftaran. Yang pertama, pendaftaran jalur SNBT seleksi nasional berdasarkan prestasi. Yang kedua, pendaftaran jalur SNBT seleksi nasional berdasarkan tes. Nah, yang ketiga, ada pendaftaran jalur mandiri. Yang keempat, registrasi ulang untuk mahasiswa baru. Nah, awal perkuliahan tanggal-tanggal ini bersifat tentatif dan dapat berubah sewaktu-waktu sesuai kebijakan Universitas Samudra. Pastikan untuk selalu memeriksa pembaruan jadwal di situs resmi Universitas Samudra. Linknya ada di deskripsi box ya. The Indonesian Language Education Study Program at Samudra University is more than just a place to learn. It is a space to grow, innovate, and dream big. With the support of dedicated lecturers and complete facility and future-oriented learning program, we are forming a generation of educators who are strong, creative, and culturally insightful. If you want to be part of a learning community that follows excellence, cultural values, and has a real impact in the world of education, we are trying guys, don't just dream, make your future come true with us.